I was like, do you think she's having seizures?
Oh, that's just beyond there. Those
doing
toothies.
it so much. And so randomly, we would just like look over at her and she just...
Oh, like that?
Yes, we're like, what is she doing?
She's more interested in my purse.
Got a bag?
Oh, you want it? Oh, it's yours. That's the GoPro.
Oh, I'm gonna have to see this video.
The other one's cute too. When we were up at the top of the hill, and then Newsom put that thing on his head and took all the all the fun.
So, my curiosity.
It doesn't matter. It's waterproof. That's what I swim with.
What are you doing? This started out as a diaper change.
Yeah. Well. There it is. You gonna have a diaper change? Oh, look, there's the kitty cat.
Oh my gosh.
You are a trip, Newsom Cummings.
You really have to have no hair.
You want to know what's sad? I can't get that thing to stick to a slick wall.
I couldn't get it to stick to Paisley because she's got too much hair.
You're the one of the few people that says that. Everybody else calls her Baldy. Oh my gosh.
She just looked
Oh, I saw a dimple. Ember, you needing some attention.
Papa. So she says Mama, Baba, and the Papa. But she wakes up in the mornings and she'll sit up in bed, Grant can tell you, and she'll sit up and start saying Baba, Baba.
she'll just go, bah. And then we'll say Baba, and she'll go, Baba.
Like, okay, we get it. And she'll just start sucking her thumb.
Good morning, Little Miss Sunshine. I think we did a great job.